How to fix your microphone not working in the Nvidia app. Now I've been researching this for quite a while now, and the number one fix that I hear from people is to deinstall the app and then reinstall it again, or restarting your computer. And after you've done both of those things, and if they didn't work, then you can try further fixes. So let's press Alt and Z at the same time. Make sure your microphone is set to off. Then go to settings here, audio, and here make sure that your microphone is selected. So I'm not using the webcam, I'm using the Uber mic. Let's adjust the volume, and there you go. Now when I toggle microphone on, it's gonna work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.